I'm here to talk to you about clean beauty. Have you ever heard that term? Well, clean beauty in the industry of cosmetics and makeup and skincare is a little bit trending, it's growing, but like Oprah Daily says, it's the crypto of the beauty industry right now. But a lot of people don't really understand what it means. Most, and if you were to ask experts, most would say that it means that there's no toxins in the skincare or makeup, and that is true. However, some people can take it farther to say that it also means that the cosmetics are produced in a very clean environment, ethically produced, and that they are sustainable in the environment as far as the ingredients and how those ingredients are taken from the environment and put into the cosmetics. So I can be very proud to say that SeneGence has always been a clean beauty, makeup, and skincare company, even though there was no such term as clean beauty back when we started in 1999. Besides being clean beauty, though, we are also a green company, and that is something that wasn't really talked about back in 1999 either when we started. And being a green company is important because Joni, the founder of the company, who's the CEO and founder, and Jorm Fishman, who was the first very innovative SeneGence scientist, we call SeneScience for short, he was the one that said, I do not want to tear down trees, because he was a huge environmentalist. He didn't want to tear down trees to make boxes to put our product. So we've never had packaging, so to say, for our skincare and makeup. And Joni agreed with that. And so we've always done that. And we've always had sustainable ingredients in that we don't strip the environment and never have for the ingredients that we use in our cosmetics. So let's talk about clean beauty as far as toxins go. So in the United States, there's hardly any regulation. If you would believe that, it's kind of weird to believe with all the rules and regulations we have in this world these days. But the FDA really doesn't regulate what ingredients go into our cosmetics. And there's only a list of like 10 to 12 that they say no, that they don't want those in. But other than that, when they go to market, when a product goes to market that is made in the United States, there's really no regulation. And the other thing is, which is really important, is that most cosmetic companies will list maybe some ingredients, but there's no regulation that says that they have to list all their ingredients. So especially if you buy what we call a more drugstore brand, you have no idea what you're putting on your skin, because it doesn't need to list the ingredients that are toxic to your skin or to your body. So I am very proud the fact that SeneGence is not that. We are a company that lists all of our ingredients. In fact, if you go onto our website and you click on any product, you can go to the ingredients list and look at every single ingredient that is in that product. I'm very proud of that fact. And we as distributors are very proud of that fact too. So clean beauty, as far as the European standards go, that's what we go by. We go by European standards. European standards are very strict when it comes to clean beauty. What that means is that there's prioritization for ingredients, and that there are over 1,450 now, almost 1,500 ingredients that are banned from being put in cosmetics and skincare in Europe. And so we follow that same standard of beauty here at SeneGence, which is amazing. The skincare and the cosmetics it's paraben free. There's no animal byproducts. We also are very cognitive and aware of the way that ingredients are gotten from the environment, and there's no animal byproducts at all at SeneGence. There are no drying waxes, there's no formaldehydes, there's no carcinogenics, there's no phthalates, there's no PFAs, there's no sodium lauryl sulfates in there, and we are cruelty free. So when we say there's no animal byproducts, what also we're meaning by that is it's cruelty free. We are PETA friendly, and we're vegan, and we are gluten free. In fact, celiacs can use all of our makeup and all of our skincare, which is an amazing thing, because if you're celiac, it's hard to find a cosmetic company. If you know a celiac, please tell them about our skincare and makeup, because they will be able to use it. All nature-based ingredients, all made in GMP, which is like a high standard of manufacturing facilities. And all of the ingredients are stringent. Like we use the top quality ingredients that we can get. And they're all A to A plus as far as the top ingredients goes. So there's all kinds of levels of ingredients, whether it's A plus, A, B plus, B, C down. So a lot of the cheaper, I guess the word is, in cosmetic skincare and skincare and makeup, they don't have to use high quality ingredients. That's how they keep the price down, is that they use cheaper ingredients, which is not proven to be the high standards that we at SeneGence want it to be. That's why we always use the highest quality that we can possibly get from any country. It's we check to make sure how the ingredients are gotten. No slave labor is involved, and all those kind of things. So there's a lot behind the word clean beauty, but here at SeneGence, we are so proud to say we are a clean beauty company, and we boast about it because we can. And thanks for listening. Hope you learned something. Share this.